Please rise. Srinivas Salike Garu, not Kishore Sapriya, right? Not you, Kishore. You come next. Well, you're all a part of a micro cabinet and you've been given special assignments by your district governor. And because of your special assignment, your status is elevated beyond a district chairperson. Your district governor believes that based on your importance, the district's success and goals will be achieved. You need to support your district governor team and work very closely with all the members of the district cabinet. You need to be attending the cabinet meetings and ensuring the goals of Lionism is also met. And your own portfolio goal, be it the specialty club or the Leo coordinator or the Lions Quest coordinator or the training and development chief, whatever may be your assignment, you need to make sure that assignment goes down from the district to the club level. Will you promise all of us that you will fulfill your duties to the best of your ability? Please say, yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Thank you. I now invite the 3 GAT district chairpersons. They've got a special protocol since recent days. The GAT leaders, the GLT coordinator Krishna Prasad Garu, GMT coordinator Rajendra Prasad Garu, GST coordinator Alok Kumar Jha Garu. All 3 of you form a part of GAT. The chairman of the GAT is your district governor. And as a member of GAT, you must realize Lionism's biggest investment today is on GAT. They look at GAT as a very comprehensive plan to bring the organization to its next level, be it in the area of membership, leadership, and service. And all of you are responsible for this most important activity. You have to be a member of every zone, every region, every part of the district. Make sure that clubs and officers understand GAT better and they fulfill our collective goal of GAT. Will you as GAT leaders, GMT coordinator, GLT coordinator and GST coordinator confirm to all of us that you will fulfill your duties to the best of your ability? Please say, yes, I will. Thank you very much. I now invite all the additional district cabinet treasurers to please rise. And I request Lion Nalla Vidyadhar Reddy Garu to please come forward. Vidyadhar Reddy Garu, munduku randi. I also request all the district secretary, assistant district cabinet secretaries, additional district cabinet secretaries, all related to the secretaries to please rise. And I invite Lion Arun Kumar Gudiri Garu, please come forward, Arun Garu. To the leaders who are the additional cabinet secretary or additional cabinet treasurer or the assistant cabinet treasurer or the assistant cabinet secretary, I must mention to you that you're supporting your cabinet treasurer and you're supporting your cabinet secretary in the fulfillment of their responsibilities. You're given the responsibility of an additional designation because you need to be a part of them. And I would also ask another lion to rise, Lion Ajit Nair, wherever you are, district motivator, you're already there. Now, it's important that your cabinet secretary and cabinet treasurer perform very well. So the additional positions are meant for you to confirm to all of us that you will support your cabinet treasurer and cabinet treasurer secretary to ensure that their tasks are fulfilled. Please say, yes, I will. Thank you. District cabinet treasurer, Nalla Vidyadhar Reddy Garu. It's a very important assignment. A lot of Lionism today is based on large collection of funds. Transparency is the #1 priority. You need to make sure that all monies are collected and disbursed according to the governor's cabinet, according to the district cabinet approvals, maintain proper books of account, periodically give a provisional account in every cabinet meeting. At the end of the year, present an audited report to the first cabinet meeting, get it approved there, and then present your final audited report in the next year's district conference, which is 2023 district conference. So it's a responsibility that you have to head the financial department of the district, support the governor, not only in this area, but also as a member of the credentials committee. Will you as cabinet treasurer commit to us, Nalla Vidyadhar Reddy, that you will fulfill your duties to the best of your ability? Lion Arun Kumar Guduri Garu, you are a very seasoned and experienced lion. You know the administration very well, but you are the head of all administration. You will maintain all records, all documents. You will send out all business notices. You will be responsible for the success of all the business meetings, including the cabinet meeting minutes. You will encourage all the clubs in your district to regularly report to LCI, administrative and activities report. And you will be the head of all communications, official communications of the district. You need to support, along with your treasurer, the DG team and the district cabinet. Attend every single meeting of the cabinet. Will you, as the district cabinet secretary, promise us you will fulfill your duties to the best of your ability? Please say, yes, I will. Thank you. I now invite your second vice district governor, Lion Resu Malla Reddy Garu, to please come forward. I invite Lion Vanita Agarwal to please join her husband, Lion Kamal Kishore Agarwal, the first vice governor, as he comes forward. Malla Reddy Garu, welcome to the DG team. This is your first year as a member of the DG team. So you are learning and you're growing as a team member. Someday you will be the chairman of this team. You will be the chairman of GAT. You will be the district governor. So your learning starts now. Please remain connected with your clubs. They must all know you very well. I know they are fully aware of you. But this is the time for you to invest in building relationship. You must be very closely connected to your governor and your first vice governor, with your district cabinet, with all your past governors. Keep the district in perfect harmony. That is what is expected of you. You will support the GAT chairperson of your district, which is your district governor himself, in all areas of membership, leadership and service. Will you, as second vice governor, promise us, Lion Resu Malla Reddy, that you will fulfill your duties to the best of your ability? Please say, yes, I will. Thank you. Kamalji, you are now elevated to the position of first vice district governor. Next year, around the same time, you will be installed as the district governor. Your cabinet would be installed here. You would be installed as a governor by the international president, Lion Brian Sheehan. It's going to be a fantastic year for you because your term has not only commenced, but you're already in the groove. As a district governor to be, it's time that you start looking at your plans, your programs for next year. Train your second vice governor, work with your district governor, plan your cabinet, plan your programs, and remain connected with all the Lions clubs and the Lions leaders in the district. It's important that decides to take forward. And I'm quite certain that your support to the district governor will make this district a very prolific district. You have to be attending all the meetings, official meetings of the district, and also connect very strongly with all the clubs of the district. Will you, as the first vice governor, promise us that you will fulfill these duties to the best of your ability? Please say, yes, I will.
Yes, I will, sir.
Fellow Lions, I've installed each one of you individually. It's important that I install all of you collectively. I request the governor to please join us. As the collective installation happens, will you please step forward, Governor Vidyasagar Reddy Garu? I also request the immediate past governor, who's a voting member of the district cabinet, Lion Durgavani Garu, to please come forward. Every one of you has been installed as a member of the district cabinet in your individual capacity. It is time for us, ask Dr. Madhuri to join, ask Ravinder Rao to join.
Ravinder Rao.
The district cabinet is a team. The district cabinet is a very official, recognized unit of Lions Clubs International. The district cabinet must constitutionally meet. There's a defined meeting norm. The district cabinet must approve a lot of important decisions, including financial reports, administrative reports, and big project reports. The district cabinet even endorses projects when a club applies to LCIF for its grant. So the district cabinet is a very powerful body, and all of you form a part of the district cabinet. Some of you are voting members, but some of you are there in your capacity as an officer of the district. So, dear friends, it's important that as a cabinet, you do not create any liabilities for future. Even if there are liabilities transferred to you, Please get together to resolve those liabilities, but don't create liabilities for future. Ensure that the Constitution is respected and the Cabinet is performing to the expectations and compliances as defined by the Board of Lions Clubs International. Will you, as members of the District Cabinet, promise your members that you will fulfill these duties to the best of your ability? Please raise your right hand, and this time you will say, yes, we will.
Yes, we will.
Thank you very much. I would now ask all the past governors of District 320B to please rise. I must make it very clear to the past governors, most respected past governors, that my task here is not to demand a commitment from you, but my task here is to request you to serve as guides, to serve as mentors, to serve as speakers, to serve as trainers, so that Lionism in your district flourishes, is kept harmonious, and your clubs and Lion leaders are very delighted to be connected with you. So you would play a very important role of an ambassador of Lions Clubs International in your district, and we are quite certain that with your advisory, the club and the districts will do exceedingly well. At this point of time, you have a very clear option, past governors. You don't have to say, yes, I will. But if you still want to go ahead and say, yes, I will, that will be more than welcome. Yes. Thank you very much. I would now ask all the members of the district to please rise. All the lions of all the clubs of the district who are present here. All the lions. Graciously confirmed and expressed their consent to play a mentorship role, advisory role. They're already doing a fantastic job. Now it is your turn to confirm to your district governor, your district cabinet, that any programs that they undertake, any events they organize, any contributions they seek, any service they expect from you will be responded very possibility. Each one of you have the responsibility to keep your club in good standing and to make sure your district is amongst the best districts. Will you all promise to your cabinet and to your past governors that you will fulfill your responsibilities as a member of a Lions Club in this district to the best of your ability? Please say, yes, we will. Yes. Having heard from all of you, ladies and gentlemen, I have the greatest of pleasure duly installed. Put your hands together and give yourself a very good round. Without Tali Bajao, all the Bajao. Governor, you are a very proud leader. You have a fantastic response from your members. We wish you all success. All of you may kindly be seated now. Thank you very much for your response to my call. And all of us are stand-up positions as we see the cabinet installed. I request everybody else to please settle down. At this point of time, the district governor will request our international director to join him to present the pins to the first vice governor, the second vice governor, the district cabinet treasurer, and the district cabinet secretary.
And I'd like to honor you, the king of champion So I'm honoring him.
Fantastic.
Me and Poonam. With you always. 24 into 7.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you are back.
One way. Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Right. All right.
I'd like to honor the governor also.
Okay, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. Sir, one group photo, sir.
Initiator of the thought to do the oxygen concentrator program was your past district governor like R.K. Raju. He called up and said, let's do something. I will contribute first, and the whole multiple contributed. Thank you, Raju.
Every morning you are born again. A very precise inspiration. We thank you for that. You also believe that change is always a constant. Your innovative ideas and different thinking has only proved that you are a Kohinoor, not only in the multiple, but in Lions Club International. Thank you so much. May I now request
कैबिनेट प्रमाण स्वीकारोत्सव अध्यक्षుడు డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గవర్నర్ విద్యాసాగర్ రెడ్డి గారు, ముఖ్య అతిథి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డైరెక్టర్ లైన్ వినోద్ కుమార్ లాడియా గారు, కీనోట్ స్పీకర్ ఫాస్ట్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డైరెక్టర్ లైన్ ఆర్ సునీల్ కుమార్ గారు, వేదికపైన ఆశీస్ అయిన నాయకులు, సభకు విచ్చేసిన లైన్ మిత్రులు, మహిళామణులు, లియో సభ్యులు అందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్సుమాంజలి. మిత్రులారా, సేవా సైనికులారా, మనమంతా వివిధ రంగాలకు చెందిన వ్యక్తులము. మనమంతా విభిన్న విశ్వాసాలు గల వ్యక్తులము. మనమంతా విభిన్న అభిప్రాయాలు, విభిన్న ఆలోచనలు గల వ్యక్తులము. ఘనమైన సంస్కృతి గల మన భారతదేశ పౌరులం భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వమని నిరూపించి పాడించి చూపించిన వ్యక్తులం. నేడు మనమంతా ఇక్కడ గమ్యం వైపు, ఒకే లక్ష్యం వైపు సంసిద్ధులై ఉన్నాము. లయన్ మెల్విన్ జోన్స్ కన్న కళ ఆశయాలను పరిపూర్ణం చేయడం, లైనిజం, సేవ పరిమాణాలను, స్నేహ సుగంధాలను విశ్వాసం చేయడం, సమాజంలో ప్రతి మూలన విస్తరింప చేయడం మన లక్ష్యం, మన గమ్యం. మన ఉమ్మడి లక్ష్యం సాధించడానికి, ఉమ్మడి గమ్యమై ప్రయాణించడానికి నేను సిద్ధం, మీరు సిద్ధం, మనమంతా సిద్ధం. ఈ సేవా ప్రయాణంలో సికింద్రాబాద్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గవర్నర్ ఎన్నుకోబడడం సహకరించిన హోమ్ క్లబ్ సభ్యులందరికీ, ఇతర క్లబ్స్ చెందిన లైన్ మిత్రులందరికీ, వాల్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గవర్నర్లందరికీ పేరు పేరున కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. ఈ సంవత్సరం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గవర్నర్ లైన్ విద్యాసాగర్ గారి నాయకత్వంలో వారి ఆలోచనలకు అనుగుణంగా వారి ఆశయాలను విజయం చేసే విధంగా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గవర్నర్ అడాప్ట్ను విజయవంతం చేయడానికి, మన డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ సేవలను విస్తృతం చేయడానికి ఎల్సిఐఎఫ్కు అత్యధిక విరాళాలు అందించడానికి విశిష్ట కృషి చేస్తానని, పరిపూర్ణ సహకారాన్ని, సమయాన్ని అందిస్తానని తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. లాంగ్ లివ్ లైనిజం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, Resumala Reddy Garu. They say a river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. And Malla Reddy Garu, with your persistence towards service, towards mankind, will take you a long way. May I now call on our first Vice District Governor, Line Kamal Kishore Agarwal ji, to give his acceptance. कमल भाई, आपके लिए राह संघर्ष की जो चलता है वो ही संसार को बदलता है। राह संघर्ष की जो चलता है वो ही संसार को बदलता है। जिसने रातों को जंग जीती, सूर्य बनकर वही निकलता है, वही निकलता है।
Great administrator, our district governor Lion M. Vidyasagar Reddy Garu, First Lady of our district, Dr. Madhuri Garu, today's chief guest, mighty leader, our international director, respected Lion Dr. Vinod Kumar ji Ladia, keynote speaker, social butterfly, our past international director, Lion Sunil Kumar ji Rumala, other dignitaries on the dais, in the audience, fellow Lion members, Leos, and respected Lion ladies, Namaste. Friends, मुश्किलों में मुस्कुराना जिंदगी है, मुश्किलों में मुस्कुराना जिंदगी है, फूल बंजर में उगाना जिंदगी है। मुश्किलों में मुस्कुराना जिंदगी है, फूल बंजर में उगाना जिंदगी है। आंधियां जब दे रही हो दस्तक, आंधियां जब दे रही हो दस्तक, तब दिए की लौ को जलाना जिंदगी है। It's a great honor and privilege for me to install me as a first Vice District Governor through the hands of our respected past international director, Lion R. Sunil Kumar ji. Thank you very much, sir. First of all, I am very grateful and thanks to my parents' club, Lions Club of Secunderabad Twin Cities, and all the members of my home club, Lions Club of Secunderabad Pearls, and also to the past district governors, all the past district governors of 320B for guiding me and advising me time to time. And I also hearty congratulations and thankful to each and every member of our district 320B. Sunil Kumar sir, I accept this position, leadership position as a first Vice District Governor, and I promise that before you, we will work as a team, and definitely we will say that whatever be the dreams, and ambition of our district governor definitely will achieved, and we'll see that we'll, along with our district governor, we'll go to Montreal, sir. फ्रेंड्स, जिंदगी में समस्या तो हर दिन नहीं खड़ी है, जिंदगी में तो समस्या हर दिन नहीं खड़ी है, जीत जाते हैं वो जिनकी सोच कुछ बड़ी है। हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर की सोच के बारे में क्या कहूं मैं आपको। वी हैड प्रूव दैट वी हैड डन अनबिलीवेबल थिंग्स, वी हैड अचीव्ड अनबिलीवेबल थिंग्स। वी आर नंबर 1 position in India in membership and new clubs, and 5th position in the entire world. Congratulations to you, Vidyasagar Reddy Garu, once again. Friends, as a first vice district governor, I had given a responsibility to work with the GMA advisor, our Vijay Kumar Shetty Garu, and it's my prime duty and responsibility to see that region chairperson and all the zone chairperson should involve themselves, and definitely will achieve our target of the 30 new clubs, and will cross 1,000 membership in membership growth with the help of RC Jetsons along with all the members. మిత్రులారా, లాయనిజం ఒక సేవా యజ్ఞం. ఆ యజ్ఞంలో మనం సమిద్దలం. మనం అంతా పేద ప్రజలం మోమపై చిరునవ్వులం. ఆకలి పీడితులకు అన్నపూర్ణములు, శ్రమ జీవకు అన్నులము, కరసుకులకు తమ్ములము, గల్గల్ పారే నదులకు ఉదయించే సూర్యుడికి ప్రతిబింబలం. మనం లాయనిజం అనే ఈ సేవా యజ్ఞంలో సైనికులం. జై హింద్, జై లాయనిజం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ ద ఆపర్చునిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you, part of our today's morning ceremony. May I request you all to kindly put off your cell phones, as we have a very illustrious lion leader amongst us. May I invite our past district governor, our GMT multiple coordinator and ambassador of goodwill awardee, Lion Deepak Bhattacharya, to kindly introduce our today morning's chief guest, Lion Vinod Kumar Ladiaji.
Presiding officer, the number 1 governor of this month, Lion Vidyasagar Reddy Garu, very illustrious chief guest, international director, Lion Vinod Kumar Ladiaji, Kohinoor of India and our pride, Lion Dumela Sunil Kumar ji, past international director, very distinguished guest adorning the dais, among the audience, fellow lions for the cause of service. Let me first thank Lion Vidyasagar Reddy ji from the bottom of my heart for giving me this opportunity to introduce a son of India. We always take pride that we have attained a position in lionism, but he is already recognized as one of the top industrialists, more particularly in the textile industry side in India, and known to Government of India in various and several occasions. Being both soft and strong is a combination very few people has mastered, as said by S.G. Wells, and Vinod Kumar Ladiaji is one of the such person who is so humble, simple, but at the same time a very strong personality which he professes, which I am going to state in another few seconds. In the year immediately after the Second World War, in 1945, precisely on 16 December 1945, Mr. late R.P. Ladia and Shanti ji gave a birth to a wonderful child and a gift to our nation in the form of Vinod Kumar Ladia. Why it is a gift? Kindly know. My Lion Ladia ji did his engineering in textile engineering from the Technological Institute of Textiles, Bhiwani, and received the gold medal being the #1 student of the university. What more? He is a product of the second batch of the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. He did his PhD, Doctor of Philosophy from Purnima University, Jaipur. And he has also undertaken training at the most famous, the Harvard Business School, United States of America. And that is the personality, and that is Vinod Kumar Ladia ji. He started his own organization industry in the name and style of Rajasthan Syntex Limited, which is now famously known as SRSL Group, having 4 plants employing 3,000 people. And he is the chairman and managing director of this company since 1980. He represented the government of India as a trade delegate in various countries like USA, UK, Europe, African countries like the Tanzania, then China, Iran, Turkey, Pakistan, southward and whatnot. To get a chance to become a delegation of the government of India itself is a very big pride for the countrymen and more particularly the Lions of India. He has organized number of seminars in Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, Udaipur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and All India Management Association and Textile Association of India. Dear friends, Lionism, he has received the awards which many of us received, but the awards which he has received, many have definitely, it will be a dream for us to receive. Like he has promoted Saki program for employment for widows in the backward and tribal areas, and 250 widows are supported with his endeavors. He has set up clean drinking water units as a part of the CSR activity in the villages and tribal area of Rajasthan. Started English medium school at Dungarpur, having 1,200 students from the tribal and backward area, totally supported by this wonderful personality, Vinod Kumar Ladia ji. He has provided solar street lights in the villages, established children parks in many tribal areas in the state of Rajasthan. Awards, you'll be really astonished. He is the recipient of the Udyak Patra Award in the hands of the Honorable President of India. He has received the award from the President on achieving the highest export of the Indian textile as the chairman of the Export Council. Dear ladies and gentlemen, he was the chairman of the Export Council of Textile of our country. What a pride for our Lions, and we are so privileged that his gracious presence is with us today. Recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award, not from Lions Club, not from any organization, but from the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, Lifetime Achievement Award, and that is Lion Vinod Kumar Ladia ji. Dear friends, coming to Lionism, he has joined the Lions Club of Kota in the year 1976. Then was transferred to Lions Club of Udaipur, and he has completed 46 years in Lionism as a Lion. In 1983, he became the president of the club, and in 1990, he became the district governor with his slogan, "Serve Together." Held the position of the area leader of LCI in Campaign 100 and multiple district coordinator, and he was the GMT coordinator of his multiple for 3 continuous years. He became the international director in the year 2020, for 2020-21 and 2022-23, and in the first year itself, he has been given such important responsibilities by the board of Lions Club International. He is a member of the finance and headquarters operation, and he is also a member of the audit committee. Dear friends, he is also a second century ambassador. Dear friends, अपने इच्छा शक्ति के आगे दुनिया के कोई भी ताकत टिक नहीं सकती. अपने इच्छा शक्ति के आगे दुनिया के कोई भी ताकत टिक नहीं सकती. And that is how he has served not only Lions Club but various other organizations and who he is associated and reached the zenith. He is the chairman of the Confederation of Indian Textile Industry for 2004 to 2006, chairman of the Synthetic and Rayon Textile Export Promotion Council from 2010 to 2012. He was the president of the Indian Spinners Association from 2008 to 2010, chairman of the Rajasthan Textile Mills Association from 92 to 2002. He is a fellow of the Indian Institute of Engineers. He is a member of All India Management Association, member of the Textile Association of India, and he is a Central Excise Advisory Committee member from 1996 to 2004. He was a member of the Board of Textile for Commerce Committee of the Government of India Department of Commerce from 2002 to 2006. He was the member of the Federation of Indian Export Organization from 2010 to 12 and the member of the Skill Development Council of Government of India from 2014 to 2016. He is a visiting faculty of Indian Institute of Management, including in other different management institutions of the country. And service to the nation. Why I call him son of India? Because he represents the textile industry in Make in India program of Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. He played a significant role in the bilateral agreement which was signed between India and Malaysia. He was the person behind the bilateral agreement signed between two different countries. What a pride for our India, what a pride for our Lions of District T20B that he has as gracious presence with us. Dear friends, ना पूछो मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, ना पूछो मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है, ना हारूंगा हौसला उम्र भर, ना हारूंगा हौसला उम्र भर, मैंने किसी से नहीं खुद अपने हाथ से ये यादा किया है. And that is line Vinod Kumar Ladia ji. Work so hard that one day your signature will be called as an autograph said by Churchill. And today I am sure that after he gives his message, many of our line will be sitting and going to him for his signature, for his autograph, because his signature has already become the autograph. I am so happy that I got the opportunity to introduce such a wonderful personality. Dear friends, his spouse is Lion Poonam Ladia. He is the Golden Jubilee President of Lions Club of Udaipur. His son Vikas Ladia is a computer engineer from MIT, USA. And second son Anubhav Ladia is a chartered accountant who was very closely associated with Ernst & Young. Dear friends, I am so happy that I have the privilege of introducing such a great personality, not in Lionism, but the government of India, the President of India also recognizing. So, before I take my seat, may I request all of you to kindly give him a standing applause to welcome one of the most illustrious son of India, a great leader in Lionism, the present international director, Lion Vinod Kumar Ladia ji. Thank you, Ladia ji, for coming and gracing District T20B. And I have the privilege of presenting my year.
Yeah, may I request my friend here, kindly sit down. It reminds me, talking to one of my good friends, Subhash Ghai. Subhash Ghai, he has produced many good films. One of his films was Saudagar. Saudagar failed at box office. And once I was sitting with Subhash Ghai, I asked him, सुभाष जी आपका मूवी फेल क्यों हो गया, बहुत अच्छा मूवी था. His answer was, विनोद भाई मैंने उसका ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा बना दिया, और जब उसका ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा बन गया लोगों को बहुत हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस हो गया कि पिक्चर में ट्रेलर से भी अच्छा दिखेगा, लेकिन ट्रेलर से पिक्चर अच्छा ना दिखा पाया तो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे अच्छा होते हुए भी फेल हो गया. ये दीपक ने मेरे साथ ऐसा ही किया है. This my trailer. See, I am of the firm belief that when a line is with the lines, the introduction should be only and only, I am your friend, Vinod Kumar Ladia, residing at Udaipur in Rajasthan. Nothing more than that. I am your friend. That's it. If I have done anything professionally, or if anything I have done for the nation, that was my duty. It was my duty to give back to my country. But once I am with you, I am a lion. And I very firmly believe there is no seniority in lines. This is a very, very wrong concept that we say that I'm a senior, the other is junior and all that. Sorry. Once a lion is a lion. It's very sad part of the lionism. On the 1st of July, when I took the charge of international directorship, many of my friends started calling me boss. I could not understand that till 30th of June, I was Lion Ladia. But on the 1st of July, I became boss. This is not correct, sir. We are neither boss, nor even sir, not even sahab, not even mem sahab. This is a British culture. Unfortunately, we remained under their rule for more than 200 years. And that's the reason we still follow that kind of culture. Let's start calling each other by the first name. Sunilji would agree with me that in the international, I have attended 27 international conventions. In the international, nobody calls you Sahab. Nobody calls you Sir. They all call by the first name. Sunil is called Sunil. Vinod is called Vinod. And Alexander, international president, is called Alexander only. So why not to start calling in India also ourselves with the first name? It brings you closer to each other. It brings more closer to each other. Anyway, thank you, Shaileja. I received a message from Jaipur. Past District Governor Bansal told me that he knows you. So on behalf of all the lines of Rajasthan, I convey my greetings to you. Namaskaram. Khama Ghani. Do you understand the meaning of Khama Ghani? In Rajasthan, from where I come, Khama Ghani means that excuse me if I have done anything wrong. क्षमा कीजिएगा मुझे अगर मेरे द्वारा कहीं कोई गलती हुई हो, सत श्री अकाल। मैं गुरु की नगरी अमृतसर में पैदा हुआ, तो इसलिए ये मैं मानता हूं कि जो भी आज हूं, जौहर साहब, वो गुरु की ही देन थी। मेरा नाम गुरु ग्रंथ साहब से निकला। So that's the reason I always say that Khalsas are ruling, Raj karega Khalsa. So that's the way I accept it. Presiding officer, District Governor Lion Vidyasagar, with his charming lady, Dr. Madhuri. I'm totally impressed with you, sir. You are rightly given the first position in the multiple in the very first month. See, we say in Rajasthan, पूत के पांव पालने में दिख जाते हैं. I think you follow this kind of Hindi. पूत, child, के पांव पालने में दिख जाते हैं. जब वो झूला झूलता है पालने में, तब उसके पांव दिख जाते हैं आगे बढ़ते हुए. मुझे ऐसे ही कुछ विद्यासागर में दिख रहा है. Very proud of you, sir. Installation officer and keynote speaker. My good friend, my Guru Bhai, we both have a common Guru, and that is past international director Bapna, Premchand Bapna. We both follow our Guru. And I must say, for Sunil, जग ढूंढियो थारो जैसो कोई ना. It's a fact. It's a fact. हम कहते हैं कि हमारा कोहिनूर इंग्लैंड में है, महारानी के ताज में है. कौन कहता है कि हमारे यहाँ कोहिनूर नहीं है? हमारे यहाँ कोहिनूर है, हैदराबाद में है, और लाइनिज्म के ताज में रखा हुआ है. और वो कोहिनूर हैं हमारे सुनील जी. सुनील ने बहुत डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर्स को सिखाया है, पढ़ाया है. आई एम ए विटनेस टू इट. Many lions are obliged to him because of his trainings. He is an excellent trainer. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से सुनील का स्वागत करो. Multiple Council Chairman, now Dr. G. Srinivas Reddy. I salute you also, sir. Very rightly you announced my district governor as the first position district governor. This is the motivation which we expect from a leader like you. The multiple council chairman is a coordinator. He is basically a motivator. And that's what you are doing. Thank you very much. Immediate past multiple council chairman, my dear friend Mohan. In spite of all the odds, in the last 15 months during your period as council chairman, you have done wonderfully well. I have read many reports about your work, the kind of work you did it in the period of COVID-19, and the type of services which were given by all the 7 districts of your multiple commendable. It was your leadership that motivated the governors to do that kind of work. Visiting district governors, multiple district GMT coordinator, Deepak, Deepak is a very good friend. We have been working together on some of the projects. And I'm thankful to Deepak to put my trailer behind before you. But kindly have mercy in future. Then we have visiting GAT coordinators. We have GLT, GST, LCIF coordinators. Immediate past district governor, the charming lady, Lion Durga Vani. We have with us first vice district governor. Mind you, I disagree with this designation. This is not the right kind of designation to call someone vice. It is not the kind of designation someone should call second. We are lowering you. The right designation is you are district governor 22-23. You are district governor 23-24. That's the kind of designation, or that's the kind of priority should be given to the leadership which is under the development. This first and second, with due respect to my international and with due respect to my, I would say, leaders, I wish to call you as governor only with the year of 22-23 and 23-24. Galaxy of past multiple council chairmen, galaxy of past district governors. Sir, you are the foundations. You are the people who have built this district and this multiple by offering your services over a period. So definitely, I'd like to thank you for giving this kind of service. We are really obliged on behalf of the Lions Club International. District Cabinet Secretary, Lion Arunji, District Cabinet Treasurer, Region Chairman, Zone Chairman, Cabinet members, fellow Lions, dear Leos, ladies and gentlemen. I'm thankful to Lion Mahesh Agarwal, who took the trouble to receive me at the airport. And I enjoyed the fellowship with Mahesh as well as with two governors, Vidyasagar and the other from 322C. And really last evening, I was very happy to be with them. I'd like to congratulate the team which is installed today. I'd like to congratulate the concept of nation first followed by you. It's very rare I find in India that this kind of respect to the nation is given by bringing the national flag and saluting it. It's really commendable. It's really, I tell you, Governor, this is the right kind of respect we need to give to our country, to our nation. And that's the reason. Kindly see your code of ethics. What code of ethics is? We are committed. We are committed to our nation. And that's the reason we display our commitment by bringing the national flag in the program. Once I was traveling and I was in Germany. I was signing an agreement with a German company for one of my plants. When that agreement was brought on the table to sign, the German president of that company asked me that, Mr. Ladia, have you brought your country flag? I said, sorry, I don't carry my country flag with me. He said, do you mind if we keep the country flag of Germany on the table where we will sign the agreement? I said, okay, keep it, I have no objection. But tell me why? Why you want to have that? Now the reply came that this flag reminds us that don't do anything wrong which may harm your country. And you believe me, since 1999, national flag is on my table permanently. And let me tell you, friends, This national flag does not belong to the leaders. It does not belong to the military. It does not belong to the bureaucracy. It belongs to all of us, you and me. Every one of us have a right to display it in our office or in our home, provided in the evening there is a roof above it. That's it. Supreme Court of India has ruled on it. And the Supreme Court of India has very clearly said that national flag, the tricolor, belongs to every Indian. Every Indian. I was in Italy in 1989, and there was a football match, the World Football match. The whole Rome city was decorated. They also have a tricolor flag. Whole city was totally decorated with Italian flags. So I asked one of the person there, आप इतना ज़्यादा अपना झंडे का क्यों दिखाते हो? बोला यही तो सब कुछ है हमारा, यही जीतेगा आज, हम नहीं जीतेंगे. This is the flag who's going to win today in the football match. तो कुछ ऐसा ही फीलिंग हमको भी जनरेट करना पड़ेगा. हम लोग सिर्फ क्रिकेट में करते हैं, वो भी ज़्यादा करते हैं जब पाकिस्तान के साथ मैच होता है. बाकी जगह पे शायद कम जोश रहता है, बट दिस इज व्हाट इट इज डन. आई लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर, द काइंड ऑफ वर्क यू हैव डन इन द लास्ट 31 days. Now 70 MJF, 15 PMJF out of it, 20 new clubs. Then you have, what is it? You are 5th in ISAME. You are 1st in India. And 2,450 blood donations, 100% reporting. All this is done by you. Now let me tell you, as a management student, I call you remarkable leader. You are a remarkable leader. And who's a remarkable leader?